Saving money is an essential skill that can help you achieve financial stability and reach your long-term goals. Here are some practical tips for everyday life to help you save money. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate a certain amount for necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. Stick to your budget and review it regularly. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account as soon as you receive your paycheck. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money before saving it. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending. Cancel unused subscriptions, limit dining out, make coffee at home instead of buying it, and avoid impulse purchases. Shop smart. Look for discounts, compare prices, and use coupons when shopping for groceries or other items. Consider buying generic brands, as they are often cheaper but can be just as good in quality. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance and create a shopping list accordingly. This will help you avoid buying unnecessary items and reduce food waste. Reduce utility costs. Save on electricity by turning off lights and electronics when not in use. Lower your thermostat during colder months and use fans instead of air conditioning when possible. Use public transportation. If available, use public transport or carpool with colleagues or friends to save on fuel and transportation costs. Cut cable TV. Consider opting for streaming services instead of expensive cable TV packages. You can find more affordable options and only pay for what you watch. DIY and repairs. Learn basic DIY skills for minor repairs around the house. Fixing things yourself can save money on hiring professionals. Avoid impulse buying. Before making a purchase, give yourself some time to think it over. Ask yourself if it's a genuine necessity or something you can do without. Buy in bulk. For items you use frequently, buying in bulk can save money in the long run. However, be mindful of perishable goods and ensure they won't go to waste. Negotiate and compare. When it comes to services like insurance or internet, don't hesitate to negotiate for better rates or switch to a competitor offering a better deal. Pay off debts. High interest debts can quickly eat into your savings. Prioritize paying off credit card balances and loans to avoid unnecessary interest payments. Save windfalls. If you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund, bonus, or gift, consider saving a portion of it instead of spending it all. Entertain at home. Instead of going out for entertainment, host gatherings or movie nights at home. It's a more budget-friendly way to have fun with friends and family. Remember, saving money is a gradual process, and it's okay to start small. The key is to be consistent and disciplined with your financial habits. Over time, these small changes can add up and lead to significant savings.